friends, welcome to my channel. It's me, Angel. Innovation can come from anywhere to everyone. Travel the world in one place. Be there for the world. Greatest show, Expo 2020. So here I'll take you glance of Expo 2020. We all have the power to build a better world and shape the future. Discover what makes Expo 2020 Dubai unique. How we are connecting minds and creating the future through sustainability, mobility, and opportunity. Change the way you see the world as you explore 191 countries. Barbarians are the safe pace, living balance with the world around us. Experience how the human race can enjoy harmony with the nature. Millions of countries participating in Expo 2020. Expo 2020 is the unique global platform to win and invest and promote international Dubai Expo 2020 is a world event and festival to show the whole world what United Arab Emirates have achieved over the years. Dubai Expo will be hosted by Dubai. Expo also is a platform where people from around the world can come together to share ideas, learn from each other, and innovate. Embark on a journey for our planet as you wander forest routes or dive into ocean. Enjoy the life harmony when it is going to be held 1st October 2021 to 31st March 2022. Where is it going to be held? The location is Dubai South, near Al Maktoum International Airport. What is the theme for Expo? Connecting minds and creating the future. What is the sub-theme of Expo? Sustainability, mobility, and opportunity. What is the impact of Expo on Dubai's economy? This is the first the entire of UAE is going to experience. Means change is about to come. Why are you waiting? Book the ticket now. Don't forget to take the snap for Expo. Bye bye everyone. I'll see you in the next video. If you like my video, do share and subscribe my channel. Mwah!